Hello, I am Dr. Shumanta Chatterjee, a consultant cardiologist attached to MRI Hospital Thakuria. Today we will be discussing on heart failure. So heart failure is a devastating and gradually progressive worsening disorder where the thing is heart cannot pump out the blood to the whole circulation. This is the usual thing. So what are the symptoms of heart failure? How can common people know that he is suffering or she is suffering from heart failure? So the most prominent symptom is respiratory distress. I mean effort intolerance. Whenever you are walking, talking or exerting, you are feeling sick, you are feeling respiratory trouble or kind of palpitation or whole body swelling or pedal swelling, decreased urine output, abdominal pain, faintness, disease spells or reeling sensation or weakness. Weakness is a vague term, but this is the symptom probably the most people feel whenever they are facing heart failure. Whatever they are doing before 3 months or before 4 months, now if they have to do it, they feel effort intolerance, they feel breathless, they feel weak. So this is the most common symptom, and do not ignore this symptom. Come to your doctor, come to your cardiologist, do some simple tests, some blood tests, certain hemoglobin, thyroid, ECG, echocardiography, and some other tests are there. Your doctor will prescribe those things, and from those things we can pick up that the patient is suffering from heart failure. So this is a complex disease. We have some medicines, some drugs and some devices, procedures in heart failure patients. Usually we do angiography in heart failure patient to know what is the exact mechanism of heart failure. The most of the time in India, in our subcontinent, usually previous heart attack produces this kind of heart failure. So we have to do the angiography, see what is the amount of blockage is there, what is the significance of blockage, how many blockages is there, and we have to revascularize it, either do angioplasty or do bypass surgery. This is the first thing. Next, we have to prescribe you some medicines. Some medicine for your symptomatic relief, like this effort intolerance, like this respiratory distress or palpitation kind of thing. So these have to be mitigated first, and after that, for your improvement in heart function, we have some medicines, maybe 3 or 4. We don't have that much strong arsenal in this heart failure management, but last 3-4 years we have faced a radical change in this heart failure management. We have some important drug tools here, namely ARNI, that is Vimada. Some anti-diabetic medicines are also there, we have to prescribe in these heart failure patients, and ultimately we can improve his heart function. Number 3 is heart failure patients, like your asthma and like your COPD patients, needs annual vaccination shots, flu shots every year and pneumonia vaccines every 5th year. This is utmost important in heart failure patients, because many times we see heart failure patients get admission in hospital recurrently, maybe 2 or 3 times in a year. So one of the main reason for that is pneumonia and flus. So we have to deal with this by vaccination. This is the thing. And patient education. What is the amount of salt he should take? What is the amount of water he should take? His creatinine level. What is the kidney status, kidney function? Is he suffering from diabetes? Is he suffering from hypertension? Because these are the things, diabetes and hypertension, we have to deal with very much strongly to deal with the heart failure. And another entity is that the patient is not having any block in heart. I mean, there is no ischemic heart disease, there is no heart attack, and patient is suffering from heart failure. So these are the entities we don't have that much strong arsenal to deal with. And another thing is that during pregnancy, some females suffer from peripartum cardiomyopathy. This is a kind of heart failure, usually is associated with pregnancy. After pregnancy, maybe after 3 months or 6 months, usually spontaneously 30 or 50% patients recovers from that. And some reversible causes of heart failure is also there. One is alcohol, other is drugs. Few drugs are there, and few medicines for chemotherapy and all those things are there, for which patient develops heart failure. But we have to treat it. We have to diagnose it very early, and then we can manage the cases. So whenever you are feeling some these kind of discomfort, do not ignore them. Immediately go to your doctor, immediately go to your cardiologist, and do one health checkup and get yourself treated urgently. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.